When it comes to organizing the perfect event, Grand Victorian Convention Centre is the place. Our rooms can accommodate up to 600 guests, whether it's a large wedding reception, anniversary, or a small birthday party. Our desire is to make your event a memorable one. Every dish you select from our wedding packages is as exceptional and memorable as the day. Discover the unique charm and hospitality, making every event a success. Grand Victorian at Radisson Plaza, Mississauga.
दास ऑप्टिकल एनका निगाह वालियां होण ਜਾਂ सनग्लास कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस होण ਜਾਂ ਸੇਫਟੀ ਗਲਾसेस ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰ ਆਲ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ दास ऑप्टिकल ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਸ ਡਿਸਕਾਊਂਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਆਈ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਵਾਜਿਬ ਕੀਮਤਾਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ दास ऑप्टिकल ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਯੂ ਸੀ ਬੈਟਰ 905 455 3227 ਜਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ 791 ਬੋਵੇਟ ਅਤੇ ਚਿੰਗੂਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਪਲਾਜ਼ੇ ਵਿੱਚ दास ऑप्टिकल
My name is Kulvinder Bobby Dade. मैं Ward 5 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੜੀ ਹਾਂ as your city councillor. ਤੁਸੀਂ September 19 ਨੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਕਰਿਓ. I'm counting on your support. Vote Kulvinder Bobby Dade.
ਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਨਵੇਂ ਫਿਸ ਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਲੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਿੰਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਓਏ ਨਿਤ ਨਵੀਂ ਸ਼ਰਟਾਂ ਪਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਨਵੇਂ ਫਿਸ ਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਲੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਿੰਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਓਏ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੂੜੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡੱਕ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਪਰ ਦਿਲ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟੱਕਰੇਗਾ ਓਏ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੂੜੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡੱਕ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਪਰ ਦਿਲ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟੱਕਰੇਗਾ ਛੱਤ ਲੁਹਾ ਕੇ ਲਾਏ ਵੀਲ ਤੇ ਟਾਇਰ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਮਾਰੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੇੜੀ ਬਾਈ ਨਿੱਤ ਟਕਾ ਕੇ ਓਏ ਜੀਪ ਦੀ ਮਿੱਤਰੋ ਛੱਤ ਲੁਹਾ ਕੇ ਲਾਏ ਵੀਲ ਤੇ ਟਾਇਰ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਮਾਰੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੇੜੀ ਬਾਈ ਨਿੱਤ ਟਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੋਕੂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਪਿੰਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਓਏ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੂੜੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡੱਕ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਪਰ ਦਿਲ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟੱਕਰੇਗਾ ਓਏ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੂੜੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ
Welcome back everybody to South Asian 360 Degrees. हम बैठे हैं अब जीवन पुन्नी जी के साथ, who is one of our prime sponsors for the show, और हर हफ्ते की तरह आपके लिए ताज़ा real estate की updates लेके आए हैं. How are you, Jeevan ji?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Last week we spoke about the Rain condos, so there's some new developments. They have started another building, you had said?
Definitely. जो हमारी South Asian community, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था ना, जो Hamilton, Burlington, St. Catherine side है, वहाँ से डिमांड काफ़ी आई थी फॉर द रेन कॉन्डोज फर्स्ट टावर.
Okay.
लेकिन वो इतना अच्छा गया विद इन like 3 weeks 65 to 75% somewhere in that range वो बिल्डिंग बिक गई है.
Wow.
तो वो बिक गई. जो उनका सेकंड टावर व्हिच दे वर सपोज्ड टू लॉन्च एट मच लेटर डेट, उन लोगों ने अभी से ही लॉन्च करने की डिसीजन ले ली है.
Wonderful.
So September 1st is the launching, and so that's what we will be working on right now.
Amazing. So there's quite a bit of demand, and I guess that it's a very good living facility, that there's so much of a response from the South Asian community.
100%. And उसमें ना एक और जो ना बहुत important चीज़ है for the investors or the end users. Myself being a President Club member for Rain Developments, I was able to get the lowest price and the first selection. उससे क्या होता है, like at much 2-3 weeks later VIPs आए थे.
अच्छा.
लेकिन जो VIP को प्राइस दिया जा रहा है, it's up to like significantly higher than it was what it was offered to myself.
Okay.
So my people are already ahead by $15,000-20,000. And so मैं again यही urge करना चाहता हूँ, जो whoever missed in the first tower, and if they do wish to come on to the second tower, I think I can save them a lot of money.
That's
and get
quite a
them.
bit of money, so I think you should jump on it if the first one went so quickly. So for the best prices, आप जीवन जी को contact करें. So is it the same facilities in the second building as the first one, or is there anything different?
The facilities are the same. इसमें pool, guest suites. There's a lot of things apart from that. Pet, जैसे there's 2 rooms, 2 for the pets. That's
Right,
very
right.
pet oriented Oakville. So and they made those rooms for wash and then they can take their pets upstairs. लेकिन काफ़ी चीज़ें भी दी जा रही जैसे free parking, free locker, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, hardwood flooring, and you know assignment clause is our favorite because some of the people that are investors वो closing से पहले बेचना चाहते हैं.
Right.
So that is in there. And वो area in general is in the revitalization mode. So अगर हम उस area में पहले जाते हैं, the developers other are coming on board much later, so we will always be ahead of the game.
So you have the exclusive rights to the best prices.
One of the yes,
One of
I
the-
would say one of the top ones, if you will,
Yeah.
and then I will pass that on to my clientele.
And your specialty is our lovely South Asian community, so I think everybody should contact you. So September 1st से पहले आपको contact करें या is it going to start, the sale is going to start?
नहीं,
on
मैं तो
September 1st?
हमेशा उन लोगों को यही बोलता हूँ कि आके पहले
देखें।
स्टडी द एरिया.
Okay.
वहाँ मॉडल स्वीट बना हुआ है एंड मॉडल स्वीट से ये है कि देन दे नो एग्जैक्टली द टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दे गेटिंग एंड 15% उनको डाउन देना पड़ेगा 1 साल में.
Right.
क्लोजिंग 3 साल बाद है. So that gives them enough time for the product to appreciate.
Right.
And this hospital coming close by, इस एरिया के पास गो स्टेशन भी है, you know, QEW just minutes away, and Sheridan College, the major Oakland place, जो इनका major plaza है वो भी पास में है. So it is excellent product, and the developers, Empire, they're huge. So
Okay, what else do you need? Good location, you need a quality environment. So I think this has everything. So along with the Rain Condos, I think your trade show is coming up. Let's talk a little bit about that. We've been plugging that for a while, but now it's coming very close. So what is in store for everybody on those days?
well, for those that have not heard or known about trade show, ये October 8th and 9th को Toronto Congress Center में होने जा रहा है. I will be putting myself number of condo projects उन लोगों के उसके booth लगेंगे. So for those that might sometimes वो hesitate करते हैं ना फोन करने के लिए,
जी,
वो
जी.
आपको देखते या सुनते रहते हैं लेकिन they never call, right?
Right.
And either they're shy or for whatever reason, you can personally come to the trade show. वहाँ different presentation की जाएगी for different condo projects. That will be there. I have Scotia Bank and TD Bank who are already on board. They will be doing, for mortgage purposes.
Lovely.
And उसके अलावा lawyers are on board, kitchen cabinetry वाले, plus a lot of electricians. I have number of people that are on, and including fashion show, which is gonna be also part of
I
that.
was going to say this is Filmy Channel, so let's put a little bit of entertainment and कोई मजेदार चीजें भी बताएं आप viewers को. So there's going to be fashion shows, and you're still accepting people who want to perform and take part.
Yes, definitely, because entertainment will be part of it.
Yeah.
Because हमारा जो afternoon, it will be filled with business oriented.
Right.
Because we want to cater to all the South Asian business. मैं चाहता हूँ अपना booth लगाए वहाँ, and it's almost like yellow pages, if you will, under the roof, if you will.
Right.
So जो लोग हमारे जो नए people that are coming to Canada, they might not know who to go to, for any type of services over there.
Right.
Over here, उन लोगों को सब services मिलेगी. As far as entertainment, like getting back to that, yes, we will be looking for local talent to perform on the stages, and the fashion show is already part of it. And that will be there, and there will be 2 performers coming from Bombay. Devgan Patel, who's dominated by Gujarati community in terms of Dandiya.
Oh, right.
He will be performing on Sunday, and they prefer Saturday will be performed by his group entirely.
Lovely. Dandiya is always fun. I like to
Yeah.
watch it. It's very coordinated. It's amazing how they just know the moves. So that's wonderful. So how can people contact you, and is it you that they call directly if they do want to take part?
Yes, my name is Jeevan Punni. I'll give you the phone number, 416-457-6391. That is my cell phone number. And मेरी website भी है jeevanpunni.com. वहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं, and जो इसका नाम South Asian Trade Show है, so our website will be up and running within a day or so.
Oh, nice.
So South Asian tradeshow.com.
.com. Wonderful. No, it's pretty easy to remember. If they can't remember, they just call you and find out, right?
That will be there definitely.
Excellent. So I urge everybody to take part. This is a good opportunity to get your real estate, situation in tact and get your new properties and also enjoy some entertainment. And I think Jeevan Ji is the perfect person to contact. Any other updates you have in the real estate market that we can quickly go?
Yes, I'm at Toronto. Those people that are not familiar with Oakville, they do like to invest in Toronto. मैं यहाँ भी बताना चाहता हूँ कि there are two huge projects. One is the Bond condominiums, and that is in the entertainment district of Toronto.
Lovely.
मैंने Cinema Tower किया था ना
जी,
पहले.
जी, बिल्कुल,
It is right opposite to on Adelaide Street. वो that will be launching in 1 week. And उसके अलावा एक और है that is on University, close to 2 subways. There's a hospital close by and UFT. Walking distance about 5 to 7 minutes. वो प्राइस शुरू होता है from 311,000. Again 15% उसका deposit